Do you have a hobby you're passionate about? What if you could turn that hobby into a profitable business? Many successful entrepreneurs started by monetizing their passions, and you can too. Whether you love crafting, photography, fitness, or writing, there's a market for just about every hobby. Here's how to turn your passion into a thriving business. The first step is identifying a target market. Even if you have a hobby you love, it's important to figure out who will pay for it. Ask yourself, who would benefit from this hobby? For example, if you're into photography, your target market could include individuals, businesses, or even event planners. If you're into fitness, you could target people looking for personal training or workout guides. Once you identify your audience, you can tailor your offerings to meet their needs. Next, build your brand and online presence. In today's digital world, having a website or social media profile is essential to growing your business. Use platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your work and attract potential customers. A professional website can provide more information about your services, a portfolio, or an online store to sell products related to your hobby. Branding is essential, so choose a name and visual identity that reflects your hobby and what you offer. Another way to turn your hobby into a business is by creating a product or service. For example, if you love crafting, you can create handmade jewelry, art, or home decor to sell online on platforms like Etsy or eBay. If you're into writing, consider writing eBooks, creating courses, or offering freelance writing services. Fitness enthusiasts can offer training sessions, fitness challenges, or create workout plans for clients. Start small by creating a few sample products or services and getting feedback from friends and family. Then, you can monetize your hobby by offering courses or tutorials. If you're skilled at your hobby, there's a huge market for people looking to learn from you. Whether it's teaching painting, yoga, cooking, or music, online courses and tutorials are a great way to generate passive income. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or YouTube can help you reach a wide audience, and you can create content once and sell it multiple times. Offering free content on platforms like YouTube or Instagram can also build credibility and attract paying customers. Lastly, sell your expertise and knowledge through consulting or coaching. If you're an expert in your hobby, you can offer one-on-one coaching or consulting. Whether it's helping someone with a fitness plan, teaching others how to play an instrument, or advising on starting a small business, people are willing to pay for personalized guidance. Offering coaching sessions or consulting services can be a great way to share your expertise and earn money doing what you love. Turning your hobby into a profitable business takes time and effort, but it's absolutely possible. By identifying your target market, building your brand, creating products or services, offering online courses, and monetizing your knowledge, you can transform your passion into a full-fledged business. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. The more you invest in your hobby, the more rewarding it will become. So take that first step today. Your dream business might be just around the corner.